Hello world, this is Priyanka. I am a mom, educator, and software engineer. Welcome back to my channel where we play, read, and code. This video is the part of a workshop I'm conducting on my Facebook group. If you haven't already, please join the group. The links are in the description box below. I share ideas to teach programming concepts through play. All activities are screen free and DIY, and you code unplugged without a computer. Before starting today's activities, please make sure you have completed the activities from the previous two videos. I'm going to put a link in the description box below. Today, we are going to talk about the nemesis of every programmer, bugs. By bugs, we mean mistakes in code. As a programmer, I can safely say that half my life is finding and fixing bugs. I have a very simple activity to teach kids the concept of bugs. We have a robot who's trying to draw a square. He has 3 pieces of algorithm, but bugs have eaten through them and he doesn't know which one is correct. The activity is fairly simple. Find the right algorithm for the robot. The link for this PDF is in the description box below. The process of finding and fixing bugs is called debugging. We are going to play a fun game to learn how to debug. Here is what you'll need: some magnetiles, one Hot Wheels car, coding cards, and some bug counters. Now the car is a must, but all other items are optional. If you do not have one or more of them, feel free to swap them out with any suitable items that you have at home. Using your magnetiles, lay out a track for the car. The green is the safe area where the car can drive. The yellow is the marsh. We do not want our cars to end up in the yellow. If you do not have magnetiles, you could draw this or use some other toy, because the inclusion of toys in the activities gives greater engagement with kids. Now, using the coding cards, lay out 2 algorithms for solving the maze. You could do it yourselves or ask the kid to lay out this algorithm. One of these algorithms is wrong. I'm using these as the bugs instead of the counters. Now let's take a look at the rules of the game. Follow the algorithm step by step and move the car. If the car falls into the marsh, stop and place a bug on that particular instruction. Now go through all the instructions that came before this buggy instruction and find the mistake and fix it. Keep repeating this until the algorithm is completely free of bugs and can bring the car from the start to the finish without making it fall into the marsh. Now I'm going to show you how to present this activity to a child. I've captioned the tips and techniques I've used to get the child engaged in the activity, so please pay attention to the video.
Hi.
Do you want to play a game with me?
Yes, please.
Okay, you'll have to put your blocks away for that. I know. So, do you see these cards? What is each one of these cards for? Each one. Instruction. It means one step, right? And when we join many steps together and we make a sequence, it's called an algorithm. Okay? So somebody made this algorithm. Who is that somebody? You or me? Somebody. I made that. Okay? So somebody made that algorithm to get this car from here
All the way
to the finish. Okay?
Now, 30 days.
Now, the only rule is this car should not end up in the yellow tiles. The yellow tiles are marsh. What happens when a car gets into the marsh?
They get stuck.
They
Like-
get stuck.
Like when you put your finger in the marshmallow, starts getting a little.
So the car should not get stuck. Okay. So now let's see. Somebody wrote this sequence algorithm, and I'm going to tell you each steps. Can you do the steps? Okay. So come closer. Give me that. I'll show you something.
we get second, there's 10 while I'll just count.
Okay, now ready? Focus. Okay. So the steps are forward, another step forward, turn left. Turn left and step. Okay? Turning is one instruction. Then forward, another step forward, turn right. Right and stay. The turn is one instruction. Okay? Step is forward, forward, and now show me how do we turn. Forward, forward, left turn, left turn, left turn, forward. Another step forward, another step forward.
Then I'll get into
Yeah, but the algorithm says that. And what happened? The car is stuck in a marsh. So now we have a
Why?
bug.
Yeah.
And which step did we find the bug on? On the third step. Now, how do we remove the bug? So
By removing this step.
what is a bug? When an algorithm has a mistake in it, that mistake is called a bug. And now we have to remove the bug. You know what it is called? Removing the bug?
That means
We have to debug.
debug.
So how do we debug?
By taking
We
the
look at all the steps that we did, okay? And we find out which one was wrong. So, one step forward. Is that correct? No problem. Another step forward. This was correct? Huh? So, the problem was third step forward, right? So, I have to remove the bug and get this out. Here we have to turn. Right? So, if I turn here and I go one step forward, my bug is gone.
gone. Yay, the bug is there.
We had a lot of fun playing this game. We continue to play with increasing levels of complexity. I hope you have lots of fun learning with this game. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. All suggestions are welcome. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. See you next time.